I am from Sarasota, Florida, and my husband and I are traveling across the country for 3 months. And I'm early with learning silversmithing, and I thought it would be fun to take classes and workshops along the way.
Class was based upon a different style of stamping. Most people know it as bump out, or some people call it repoussé, which you're using a male-female dies or stamps in more of a conforming sense. So you would use one side, which we would call female, stamp that first, and then take the male side and then push the material from underneath upwards, giving it a different dimension.
Chris is awesome. Just his knowledge of the jewelry making process is inspiring.
I got very excited about this workshop in particular because I've been very interested in learning stamping, and to learn from a native from the Pueblo was very special.
All stamps that we use today, aside from the purity stamps and the letter stamps, I did produce in my own studio out in Laguna, Pueblo.
The instructors here, in all honesty, they are just so supportive and encouraging. They're very hands-on. They don't let anybody struggle. I mean, if they see you struggling, they're right there.
Hopefully, with something that you've seen today, it helps you out.
It's been an excellent experience. I would definitely come back, and I will.